Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you two simple ways to zip your pictures into a compressed file and then extract them again on Windows 10. We'll use both the right-click context menu and the File Explorer ribbon bar. So let's dive in. First up, let's zip some pictures using the context menu. For this example, I have a folder with a few images I'd like to compress. Step 1. Select the files you want to zip. You can do this by holding down the Ctrl key and clicking on each file individually, or by clicking and dragging to highlight a group of files. Once your files are selected, right-click on them. In the context menu that appears, hover over Send To and click on Compressed Zipped Folder. You'll see a new compressed folder appear in the same location as your files. By default, it will name the folder after one of your selected files, but you can easily rename it to whatever you like. And that's it. You've just zipped your pictures using the right-click context menu. Next, let's look at how to do the same thing using the File Explorer ribbon bar. This method is just as easy. Start by selecting the files you want to compress, just like before. Now, at the top of File Explorer, you'll see a menu bar called the ribbon. If you don't see it, just click the little down arrow in the upper right corner to expand it. With your file selected, go to the Share tab on the ribbon. Over here, you'll see a button labeled Zip. Go ahead and click that. Once again, a compressed folder is created with your files inside. Now that you know how to zip files, let's extract them. There are a couple of ways to do this as well. First, let's use the context menu. Right-click the zipped folder, and you'll see an option called Extract All. Click that. Windows will open a new window asking where you'd like to extract the files. By default, it'll choose the same location as the zip file, but you can change that if you want. Then, click Extract. Your files are now extracted and ready to use. Finally, let's extract using the File Explorer ribbon. Start by selecting the zipped folder. At the top, you'll see an Extract tab appear. Click that and then choose Extract All. Just like before, select the location you want and click Extract. And there you go. And that's it. You've now learned how to zip and unzip files using both the right-click context menu and the File Explorer ribbon bar in Windows 10. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.